Gotama, the historical Buddha, said, quote, "No one who is born is free from aging and death. Aging and death are rolling in. Didn't you ever see a woman or a man, 80, 90, or 100 years old, frail, bent like a roof bracket, crooked, leaning on a stick, shakily going along, ailing, youth and vigor gone, with broken teeth, with gray and scanty hair or bald, wrinkled, with blotched limbs? Didn't you ever see a woman or a man who was sick and in pain, seriously ill, lying in his own filth, having to be lifted up by some and put to bed by others? Didn't you ever see a woman or a man 1, 2, or 3 days dead, the corpse swollen, discolored, and festering?" End quote. Permit me to make 3 points about this. First, even though it is realistic, it may strike you as morbid. There is no question that the Buddha was at least one of the greatest spiritual teachers of all time. He was not trying to make us feel bad by rubbing our noses in unpleasant facts about what confronts us in the future. Second, we tend to think about future fulfillment, don't we? We think that, once our present conditions improve, we'll be able to live better tomorrow or in a few months or years. That gives us hope. One problem with that is that the future is also when our deaths will occur. As individual persons, there's certainty that we shall die. All our projects will end whether finished or not. It's only a matter of when, it's not a matter of if. Another problem with that is that there is no future, ever. Life is always lived in the present. The future as future always remains nothing but a set of imaginary thoughts or events that may never occur. It can be uncomfortable to think about death or dying. Third, doing so, however, can be motivating. There's no time to waste. Death really is rolling in on us. What should I be doing to make all the dissatisfaction and suffering mean something? The Buddha is encouraging us to follow the only way to liberation from the domain of samsara. It worked well for him. There's no good reason not to find out for ourselves. Peace.